Hi. One of the very common questions that I get in class when I teach the Bulgarian language to foreigners with Christina Progress is about the difference between помня, спомням си, запомням, напомням, припомням, and all of those words that come from the same root, which is помня, and that is to remember. For example, помня чужди думи трудно. I memorize foreign words difficultly. However, запомням is when you initially put them in your memory, so also to memorize, запомням. Then, спомням си is when you take those memories that you already have from your mind. Спомням си is to recall, to get it out of your mind, to recall. And then припомням си can be also to recall or припомням на някого нещо. I'm reminding somebody something. For example, припомни ми утре да се обадя на Мария. Remind me tomorrow to call Maria. And have you heard any of those expressions or words before? Do you use them? Do they confuse you? If that is the case, comment below because we are here to help you. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.